Hi, my name is Kevin. This is my sister.
Hi, my name is Anna.
Today, we're going to make a fireproof balloon. You need 2 balloons, one filled with water, one filled with both water and air, and another just filled with water. A candle on fire, with it on fire. So first, get your balloon over the fire. See what happens. It explodes. Now, balloon and put it over the fire. See what happens. You see that it's not popping. See this black mark? This happens because this is actually carbon. This is actually carbon. So this happens because water is an excellent source for soaking up heat. So when you put it over the candle, the water soaks up the heat. That hot water goes up, and the cooler water takes its place, and that keeps on going and going and going. However, since this one didn't have any coolant, since this one didn't have any water, it burst. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, Smart Science Kid. Bye for now. See you soon. I know.
Bye.